Okay, so firstly, what the fuck are these lights, right? Looks like it could be like lanterns, but they seem pretty stationary. I don't know if it's the distance or them just rising very slowly that makes it seem like they're standing still. I have no idea. It seems like a few clips from different angles. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that film. And yeah, welcome back to another video. A brand new video on the goddamn internet, and today we're going to be talking about a few clips that I've seen recently that's been getting really popular, seemingly very legit. Let me know what you guys think. We're going to be discussing and checking it out, so yeah, let's fucking watch the video. Okay, goddamn, so that is in fact not stationary, and they're not moving up, they're moving sideways, like they're forward, but it seems definitely like this is some sort of drone or weird manned object. I don't even know if it could be or would be manned. Like, what the fuck kind of technology is this, guys? Glowing orbs, the fuck is going on right now, right? And is it a jet chasing that thing, or what even is going on right now? Okay, so let's check it out one last time, okay? But before we do, let me know in the comments down below what you think it is as soon as you've watched it again, okay? Just let me know, because I find this really interesting. Any pilots that have been in the sky for a long time, how does this seem to you, especially, right? And make sure you subscribe, notifications on to not miss a future upload, because I always upload shit like this every single day, and it's a grind to 500 subs, guys. Help me out. Leave a like, it helps with the algorithm, and yeah, it helps out with if this video ever gets suppressed, etc., right? If we grow that much eventually, right? But share with anyone you know, that helps the absolute most. And let's get to the next video. Okay guys, now we're heading to the end of the video, and as you always know, every video has its best parts at the end. Viewer duration helps with the algorithm as well, and yeah, we're trying to get in 500 subs. That's the goal for this video. Let's try and get 7 likes. Can we get 7 likes, guys? And yeah, we're gonna be watching the last video, and this one's a pretty good one, so enjoy.
It's a plane. It's a plane with the lights.
No, it's not.
No, it ain't.
No, it's not.
Oh, there's no clouds.
Shh. Quiet.
That's
Look
a
at it.
UFO,
Look at it. Look at
dude.
it on the camera. It's like a dome.
That's a UFO.
Quiet.
What the fuck? Like literally,
Look
dude,
at that
that's
thing.
weird in the sky right there.
So first off, right off the bat, okay, I love how these guys are reacting to this video. That's exactly how I think I would react if I witnessed something like this with somebody or with a friend, etc. Let me know what you guys think. People saying, what the fuck, yo, that's really funny to me. Let's continue watching, and yeah, I just wanted to point that out, that this is funny as fuck.
Dude,
Dude, are we watching a comet or shooting star falling?
No, that's not moving quick enough. There's no tail. That's a UFO.
There's no blue or red
Look,
lights.
something's coming off.
What the fuck?
Whoa, bro.
Coming
I've
right
never seen
here.
anything like that.
It's kind of like an aura coming off.
I've never seen anything like it.
I got my video on it too. We all are gonna video this shit.
What the fuck is that?
Dude, this is nuts.
Look at the glow around it.
Look how the light's going off in two
Oh,
sides,
look,
though.
look, it's moving. Look at the lights are moving around it. What the
Yeah.
fuck?
It's hovering.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I see that.
Look, it's going up. It's taking.
Yeah, I'm freaking out right now. That looks so fucking weird. And they're reacting like it looks so fucking weird. They can't believe that shit, right? What do you guys think that shit is, right?
Oh, no fucking way.
What the?
What the fuck? It just went out to space.
What?
It just went out to
was
space.
that?
What the
It just
fuck?
went out to
What
space.
the fuck?
Holy
Oh my
shit.
god.
Hey guys, Vandenberg could have
Hey,
launched something.
as you were saying,
that could have been
as you were
Vandenberg.
saying,
No,
no alien.
that
No,
was-
no
could've been a
fucking
rocket.
way.
Bro, that thing
No.
just fucking disappeared.
Shit.